They say the floor is so clean that you could eat off of it. Don't ever do that. But do check out these products that we have that can help you keep your floors in the front and the back clean. First, we have a 36-inch dust mop from Libman with a big wide space for large areas and a swivel head for difficult to reach places. Next up, we have a 55-inch long broom, 15-inch recycled bristle head with a hanging hole for convenience. The high-power dustpan includes these step-on pads where you can put your foot down so you don't have to reach down to push the dirt in. And it also includes these little combs here to remove debris from the broom. Here we have a smaller version of the previous broom we just looked at, still recycled fibers, with a dustpan and combs for catching debris and removing it from the bristles. And lastly, we have a floor sweeper by Carlisle. Easy back and forth motion, mostly intended for floors and for small fiber carpets. Next up, we have our mops. Got our mop handle here. We also have standard white, blue for heavy duty and can be machine washed, and lastly, green for antibacterial. Next up, we have our mop setup. You got caution wet floor sign from Winco, which you always need to make sure that you have out around any wet floors to prevent lawsuits. We have Libman's mop bucket here with hook to hang your mop in, or prop it I should say. And we also have your standard floor cleaner, 2 ounces per gallon. And for floors with drains, we have a hot water hose from Cactus Matte, non-kink. When a mop will not do, we have a scrub brush from Libman. And lastly, we have a squeegee from Carlisle, which you will use to push the water into the drain. And lastly, from Winco, a 24-inch wall mount holder for your mop and your brooms. This should be all that you need to keep those floors clean. Remember, at Dine Company, we make food service easier.